Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Wealthfront to FreeTaxUSA for taxes, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Wealthfront to FreeTaxUSA for taxes, begin by logging into your Wealthfront account. Navigate to your account settings. Locate the section labeled Tax Documents. Download your tax documents for the relevant year. Next, open a new tab and go to the FreeTaxUSA website. If you don't have an account, create one or log in if you already do. Once logged in, select Start a new return. Proceed by entering your personal information as prompted. When you reach the section for income, look for the option to import information. Choose the option for importing from financial institutions. Find and select Wealthfront from the list of available institutions. You may need to submit your Wealthfront login credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize FreeTaxUSA to access your Wealthfront data. Once connected, FreeTaxUSA will import your relevant income and investment information directly. Review the imported data for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments or additions based on your financial situation. Continue through the FreeTaxUSA interface, following prompts related to deductions and credits. Upon reaching the final review stage, double-check all entries for errors. Finally, submit your completed tax return through FreeTaxUSA. Keep a copy of your submission confirmation for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.